Hi, this is from highly placed government sources, and what we are given to understand is that the thinking within the government is that the SIT recommendations, while important, must be given due consideration before any action can be taken on them. The words used was the government is not in favor of any knee-jerk reaction, so we should not anticipate any sort of forward-looking either statements or measures from the government as far as these recommendations are concerned. What I was told very clearly and categorically is that the recommendations of the SIT will have to be analyzed to assess the impact of the recommendations on the market specifically, as well as the economy. Remember, there have been several recommendations that the SIT has made, specifically when it comes to shell companies, the transferability of P-notes, disclosure as far as P-notes are concerned to really assess the beneficial owner, the eventual beneficial owner, disclosures as far as promoters and directors of, P-note holders and so on and so forth. But my sense today is that it's unlikely that we are going to see any follow-through measures from the government to act on the SIT recommendations. And clearly the message was that there is no cause for panic as of now, because this is not something that the government is seized of and is going to act on in the short term.
This will come as a big relief, but just one question before we let you go, Shireen. Is there any clarity on when there will be an official government statement on this P-note issue?
I don't think that it may not really need an official government statement, because remember, the SIT report is one of the many reports that the SIT has submitted to the government. This is on the issue of black money. This was the third SIT list of recommendations that was presented on Friday to the government, and this is specifically to do with the issue of black money in the stock market. So this is, a process that the SIT has been following. So I would imagine that it's unlikely that the government will officially sort of put something out or react to it. But at this point in time, this is what we are getting from highly placed government sources, is that no action, no knee-jerk reaction is expected from the government as far as these recommendations are concerned, that these recommendations will have to be analyzed on their merit. And again, as you were discussing a short while ago, these are recommendations. So the SIT hasn't said ban P-notes or so on and so forth anyway. And these are recommendations, and the government is not bound to accept the SIT's recommendations. It will analyze these recommendations and then take a call. But I don't see any follow-through action, at least in the short term.
All right. Thanks a lot for that.